neon buzz over two-lane town. I roll my sleeves and double down. Gravel lots and a busted sign. I learned to make the hard shift mine. Pay came late and hope ran thin, so I tightened up and leaned back in. If the dark leans hard on what I earn, I light the spark and make it burn. I'm the backbone of the night. Raise the line and hold it tight. When the thunder says I'm done, I load the truth and carry on. Through storm and smoke, I find my ride. No storm can buy the will in me, still burning. Still me. Red light winks on the freight yard line. I read the wind and hold my time. Signals blink over steel and stone. I've walked these tracks when I felt alone, when wages thinned and friends grew few. I learned to lean on what is true. If the night throws doubt across my lane, I pace my breath and hold the train. Under a semaphore sky, I find my mark. Green for the grid, red for the dark. If thunder bets, I'll miss my cue. I change the switch and roll on through. Coffee steam in a tin roof rain. I map my miles, I test my chain. Every scar a lantern bright, pointing me clean through the longest night. Let the crosswinds shake my line. I'll set new stakes and make them mine. Under a semaphore sky, I claim my way from rust to dawn. I earn my day, no storm can buy the will in me. Still burning, still me, as the lights turn clear and the rails run free. I walk that grade where I'm meant to be, still rolling, still me. North wind claws at the jagged plain. I pulled my coat and faced the rain. Years will chew their mark on me, but I learned to bend, not break, you see. When money thinned and nights ran long, I kept my rhythm, wrote my song. If the sky throws iron down, I plant my boots and hold my ground. I will stand the weather, hold this line, through broken roads and crooked signs. If thunder laughs at the man I'll be, I laugh back hard, won't bow the knee. Factory lights and a rusted gate, I punch the clock and lift the weight. Every scar a lesson earned, every bridge a place I turn. Let the hail beat hard on 10, I warm the night with fire within. I will stand the weather, storm or shine, forge my name in working time. No tide can claim the will in me, still burning, still me. When the clouds break wide and the day runs clean, I square my shoulders against the sheen, still standing, still me. Still me. I'd win house through a loading bay. I square my shoulders and face the day. Clock ran thin and the shifts ran long, but I kept my rhythm, wrote my song. When the lights went out on the factory floor, I found my fire and stoked it more. If the doubt comes knocking at my gate, I tighten bolts and hold my way. I'll keep the sparks alive through rain and rust, turn broken steel into working trust. If thunder dares to call me done, I grip the wheel and carry on. Boot prints washed by a hard night's rain, but my stubborn trail still leaves a stain. Every stumble shaped my aim, every setback carved my name. Let the crosswind bend the line I keep, I brace my frame and drive it deep. I'll keep the sparks alive, forge my way from ash to light. I claim the day refulging, still me. Night rolls in with a battered sky, but I lift my head and refuse to hide. Hard years taught me where I stand, built a backbone out of working hands. The world took swings, I took the hits, turned every blow into iron grit. I learned to breathe when the smoke gets thick, to find my pace and make it stick. I carry the flame through the wind and rain. When the road turns cruel, I don't complain. From the ruins of doubt, I carve my name. Still walking, still the same. I've seen good love fall to rust, watch bright hopes turn into dust, but the coal inside still burns bright, a stubborn spark that won't lose sight. If the dark gets loud, I won't retreat. I feed that fire with my heartbeat. I carry the flame past the fear and shame. Every scar a torch that lights my way. No storm can drown this inner blaze, still burning, still me, still me, So if the night tries to claim my day, I'll hold that fire and find my way, still burning.